Shanghai Acepack Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a company manufacturing, marketing, and selling horizontal packaging machines. The company was established in 2005 with registered capital of 20 million and within 14 years of operations has expanded. Known all over the world as an innovative and reliable partner in the horizontal packaging machines provider. Acepack is a high-tech enterprise committing on development, manufacturing, sales and service of intelligent packaging system and fully automatic packaging equipment. Since the establishment, Acepack has been dedicating to offer complete turnkey packaging solutions to our customers. Adhering to the concept of creation, study, integrity, unity and win-win, Acepack has offered customized pouch packaging solution to customers located in 50 countries and regions of the world, thus occupy big share of the domestic market share in China and gained its reputation by good quality and service. Thanks to our professional and reliable R&D team, Acepack focuses on automatic horizontal packaging machine, customer-oriented, focus on creation and development. Acepack now owns 70 patents. With strong technical background and rich experience, Acepack actively explores technology and application of automatic and intelligent packaging line, aims to become famous international brand of intelligent packaging system, create value for our customers, and introduce smart packaging as new innovation and solutions to our customers. We are Acepack company, proud in providing high quality and efficiency packaging solution to our customers all over the world.